Tonight, welcome back to Cocktails at 8. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we are going to have some jungle love with the jungle bird. Starts first with 1.5 ounces of Appleton Estate 8-year-old rum. Full disclosure, it's my favorite thing in the world. Then you go Campari, just 3/4 of an ounce, okay? Then you go to pineapple juice, which is 1.5 ounces. Then 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And then, because Campari is a little bitter, just a touch of simple syrup. Yes. Where's Tommy when I need him? Do we shake her up? Then what you want to do is pour it over the rocks. And garnish with pineapple. Jungle love. Oh, yeah. Bring the tropics to your home. This thing's awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the jungle bird. No, yeah.